Okay, so there is a new feature on Zoho Books. The new feature is called Locations, and it can be found by going to your settings. The Locations piece here can only be enabled for those Zoho Books accounts that have not already had branches enabled. So if you haven't had branches enabled, you can immediately go to your locations and you can hit enable locations. So this is how to categorize transactions, manage inventory, and track financial performance based on the business and warehouse locations. When you've turned it on, you cannot disable it. So it's a one-time only enablement. And it gives you down here in regards to different locations that you can have.